If you're new to DaVinci Resolve, one of the first things you need to learn is how to bring audio into your project. This could be background music, sound effects, voiceover recordings, or podcast audio. The good news is that importing audio in DaVinci Resolve is very simple once you understand how the media system works. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your project inside DaVinci Resolve. At the bottom of the screen, click on the media page. This is where all of your footage, images, and audio get organized before editing. Think of the media page as your project's library. Everything starts here. Now look at the left side of the screen. You'll see your computer's folders listed inside the media storage panel. Navigate to the folder where your audio file is saved. For example, maybe it's a music track, a voiceover file, or a sound effect you downloaded. Once you find the file, simply drag it into the media pool. The media pool is the area where your project stores all imported media. As soon as you drop the file there, DaVinci Resolve will add it to the project. That's it. Your audio is now imported. Now switch to the edit page at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can drag that audio clip from the media pool directly onto your timeline. If you're adding background music, place it on a lower audio track under your video. If it's a voiceover, it usually works best on its own dedicated audio track so you can adjust the levels easily. Here's something beginners often miss. You don't actually have to use the media page every time. A faster workflow is to simply drag your audio file directly from your computer into the media pool, or even straight onto the timeline. DaVinci Resolve will automatically import it into the project. When you start editing a lot of videos, this shortcut saves a surprising amount of time. Another small habit that helps later is organizing your audio files. Inside the media pool, you can right-click and create bins. For example, one bin for music, one for voiceovers, and another for sound effects. It might seem unnecessary when you only have a few clips, but once a project grows, good organization makes editing much faster. One more quick thing to know. DaVinci Resolve supports most common audio formats like WAV, MP3s, and AAC, so in most cases, your files will import without any problems. But if you ever run into an audio file that won't import, it's usually because of an uncommon format. Converting it to WAV almost always fixes the issue, and that's all there is to it. Once your audio is in the media pool, you can drag it into your timeline, trim it, adjust the volume, and mix it with your video. If this helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple DaVinci Resolve tutorials.